Hey everybody, I'm Mother here. Today we're gonna have a look at this particular area here. I know it's empty. This is going to be the right eye. And I want to talk about the iris in particular. Now I've just completed the other eye and some people in the past asked me how I make the catchlight look so clean and bright and the iris looks crisp. So I think I want to share it with you in today's video. Camera is set and let's go. So let me sketch the eye a little bit in time-lapse and I'm gonna switch to real-time soon. And this is not a dedicated eye tutorial guys. This is Portrait of Alexandra, which of course I'm going to publish the time-lapse when it's done. So definitely subscribe my channel so you get notified. Right, so for you who doesn't know, catchlight is this white specular square highlight. This is a reflection of a studio softbox. So it's square, right? And I try to leave this catchlight untouched since beginning, meaning I try my best not to contaminate this very small area with my graphite. Throughout the drawing session, I'm gonna make sure that there is no trace of graphite by tapping this area with my kneaded eraser. And when this white area is surrounded with my 8B, it will look even brighter because of the contrasty effect. So now let's go ahead and darken the pupil. I'm using my 8B here guys, my darkest pencil. There is 9B or even 10B, but this is all I've got, and I think 8B works just fine. The darker the pencil, the better. Oh, before I forget, you could also watch my realistic eye drawing tutorial guys for a more complete tutorial on drawing eye. Link in the description if you need it. Right, so the pupil is dark, this is looking great. Now, this is very important. You need to really look at the catchlight location. In this drawing here, if you imagine the eye as a clock, it's located at 10 o'clock. Now, the opposite side of the clock, around here, this is gonna be our lightest value. And I'm going to gradually darken the value as I go towards the catchlight. This light to dark gradation is important to make the eye appears to be glowing and make it looks clear and bright. I'm just going to spread the graphite with my brush. I'm gonna darken the iris just a little bit, and this is going to be my lightest value. Okay, now let's darken the iris outer part. So, to be honest guys, I'm not good at talking while drawing, so I really try my best to explain what I'm doing. Just excuse me if I go completely silent for a moment. Right, so the other part is dark. Going to smooth this out a little bit. And now I'm carefully creating the gradation. This area here is the lighter value, and just skip it and darken the area here. And perhaps darker here. And here as well. Making sure the iris is in perfect round. Okay, let's see what else. Don't forget to keep this one clean. So as you can see, the eye is beginning to glow. But of course you can't see it because this is too close, right? You need to look from a proper distance. Now what's left is rendering the eyeball. This is very easy to do. I'm just going to darken it with my small brush first and then draw the gradation. Darker on the top, lighter on the bottom. Make sure the left and right area is equally darkened. I have more dark value here in the other corner. And here as well. So let's recap. You want to keep the catchlight clean throughout the drawing session. Make sure the surrounding area is dark so that the catchlight appears brighter than it seems. Inspect the catchlight location and don't forget that iris has its own gradation. That's it, guys. So basically, at this point, I'm just making sure everything looks just as I want it. And perhaps darken this lower part further. This is never intended to be hyper-realistic, guys. I love it when people think that my drawing is digital artwork or just some kind of photo editing. But when they look really close like this, you can see my pencil work. This skin part here I will continue further after I render the nose. And that's it. I think I'm done with this section here. So see you again next week, and I want to talk about how I draw Alexandra's beautiful hair. I hope the video is helpful to you, and if you've enjoyed it, please subscribe. Hopefully I can release new video next weekend. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.